Alright, so today I'm going to attempt to build this IKEA side table. So, I'm going to open it. Now the four legs are here. The main thing is here, and all like the nails and stuff I think are in here because that's what it sounds like literally sounds like. So I did make this table before, but at that time I had nails like I do right now, and I broke one of them when I was doing all the screwing, and it hurt really bad. So let's try, and let's hope that I don't break a nail today. And I'm not trying to sound like a princess or anything when I say that. So, you know what? I'm going to put my legs off to the side. Sorry for the messy background, but whatever. Yeah, I changed the arrangement of my bed, so now the bed will be in the scene. Before my tablet that I'm recording this on was on my bed. So, yes, this is all the nail stuff. So, now I'm going to open this big part here. Now, I don't need a knife to cut things open right now because I have some long nails. So I've got this now. There's like a hole in each corner, and we're probably gonna put a dowel in there. So, dowel is, or a metal dowel, some type of thing. So I'm gonna grab my box. Sorry about the poor lighting in here. So yeah, this kind of metal nail dowel thing is what we'll probably be putting in here. So I'm going to open this box. Wow. This big a box for that many little screws, for 4 screws. I think that's a little too much packaging for 4 screws. So, I'm going to take one because the instructions are on here. So what it wants me to do is drill this into the big thing first, and then take my leg, which has a hole in it as well, and screw it over top. So, I'm going to do all that, I'm going to put the screws in off camera, and then show you what they look like. So, okay, so I changed my mind because my hands, I could see that they would get sore from trying to screw this metal screw in, and you can only use your hands unless you have special gloves, which I cannot, or I do not have. So I'm going to just put the leg on like so, and then use the leg to help me screw in the other piece. But it has a thing in the middle. I don't know if you can see that in the video, but there's like a piece here, and that's where the leg is supposed to stop. And yeah, that's the spacer between the two. So I'm gonna spin. Just doing the righty-tighty, lefty-loosey kind of deal. As I'm doing this, it's actually pushing the other side that's supposed to be in the bigger board in there better, so that's good. like building furniture stuff because it's like adult Legos in my mind. Call me weird, but so I'm pretty sure that's as good as it'll go. I might be able to get one more turn. There. Now it's as sturdy as possible. So, next, you grab another piece and you just repeat this on the other 4. So I will get back to you when I finish with the others. So, yeah. Okay, so what I found was easiest with this is I screw this piece into the big board first a little bit, and then I take my leg here, and for this one I'll show you how it works. So I have the hole on this side, so that's where I put the little screw thing. So here we go. Now, sometimes these things take patience, and most of these IKEA furniture things take a little bit of strength, but mostly just patience. This one takes a little bit of strength because you just have to screw and everything, but it's not, or screw the thing into this. So, it's pretty easy. And I'll probably be using this table for filming a lot more of my videos in the future. So that's why I wanted to do a tutorial where I'm building it. And this is one of the easier things you can get there. And, or easier things to build that you can get from there. This video is not sponsored, but this one was on sale for about $10. This, thing when I got it. It was about $10. Which is pretty good. Pretty good price. So I was pretty happy about it. Now I got this a while ago. However, I couldn't put it together because my room was a mess due to a bunch of construction workers and stuff needing to fix our windows. So yeah. But yeah, now I've got that all good. So I'm just gonna see if it's all level. I'm putting it over here. You won't be able to see it, but I'm just seeing if it is level and it's not wiggling. It works. I did it properly. I made an IKEA furniture piece. So yes. I hope you enjoyed learning how to do that and watching me attempt it. So yeah, like, subscribe, watch more of my videos, and yeah, just stay happy.